Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Web Solution. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up WaDefender, the powerful WhatsApp account strength checker designed to protect your account from being banned and help supercharge your WhatsApp account for bulk messaging. Whether you're using WhatsApp for marketing or personal outreach, this tool is a game changer. So let's dive right in and make it easy. Head over to this website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, simply click Download. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved and extract it. Note that the file is password protected, so make sure to watch the video carefully to get the password. Once extracted, open the setup.exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. It's a simple process. Just click Next a few times. Once the installation finishes, close the installer. To launch WaDefender, press the Windows key, find the WaDefender icon and open it. Upon launching WaDefender for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter an activation key. Don't worry, we offer a free 7-day trial. All you need to do is support the channel by liking, commenting and subscribing. Send us proof via WhatsApp along with your activation code and we'll send you your 7-day trial key. Once you have the key, paste it in and click Activate Now. Now that it's activated, you'll see the dashboard with key metrics like total chats, not interested chats, total unsaved chats, and more. These metrics help assess your account strength, which is crucial for preventing your account from being flagged when sending bulk messages. Let's walk through the setup process. First, log into your WhatsApp account by clicking the Click Here to Initiate button. This will open WhatsApp Web. Use your phone to scan the QR code to link your account. Once logged in, click Scan Now to allow WaDefender to analyze your account. When the scan is complete, you'll see a detailed report highlighting important stats. Total number of chats. WaDefender scans all your chats to gauge your activity level. More chats indicate stronger engagement. Not interested chats. This counts the chats where you've sent messages but received no replies. Too many non-responsive chats can reduce your account strength, so try to keep these low. Total unsaved chats. These are chats with people not saved in your contacts. Too many unsaved chats can hurt your credibility, making your account appear less trustworthy. And total chat with contacts. The number of conversations with people in your contact list. The more you have, the more credible your account appears. Contact list count shows the total number of contacts saved on your phone. A larger list means more potential for trusted communications. Account oldness checks the age of your account by analyzing the date of your first message. Older accounts are perceived as more stable and reliable. Total number of groups. This shows how many WhatsApp groups you're part of. More groups mean more engagement opportunities, which boost your account strength. Group activity. WaDefender tracks your involvement in group chats, comparing how many messages you send versus other members. The more active you are, the better for your account's engagement score. The stronger your account, the more messages you can send safely. And if your account needs improvement like this one here, which strongness is showing poor, just click on the suggestions and WaDefender will provide actionable tips. One of WaDefender's best features is the ability to export your reports once the scanning is completed. To export, just click Export, and you can save your account data as an Excel file for future reference. If you're managing multiple WhatsApp accounts, this feature is invaluable. You can monitor the strength of each account and ensure they're all optimized for safe bulk messaging. And that's it. Setting up WaDefender is quick, easy, and essential for anyone looking to safely send bulk messages on WhatsApp. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Web Solution. We have more tutorials and tech tips coming your way, so hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next one.